Today, we're going to show you how to purchase and install maps to your Garmin outdoor device. To do this, you need your Garmin, its USB cable, and a compatible computer. First, take the small end of the cable and plug it into your Garmin. Then, you'll need to plug your Garmin into the computer. Take the large end of the cable and plug it into the computer. The Garmin will act as a drive when connected to the computer. If the Garmin asks you to go into base station mode, select No. Next, on your computer, open your internet browser and navigate to garmin.com. In the top right-hand corner, ensure you're in the correct locale. Now, select Maps, then click Outdoor Maps. If you're looking for automotive maps for navigation on roads without topographic information, select Shop Street Maps. For topographic maps, click on Shop Outdoor Maps. A list of maps that Garmin offers will appear. If you're traveling to a different country, you can click on Enter Country or Region and search for outdoor maps offered for different regions. If the country you're searching for is not on the list, it means we don't offer any outdoor maps for that country at this time. Proceed by selecting the map and region you would like to purchase. Today, we'll be using the Topo 24K maps, but other maps have a similar process. With your region selected, click Learn More. Once you get to the Maps product page, click on Compatible Devices to make sure that your Garmin is compatible with this map. To get an idea of the area that's covered by the map, click on Coverage. Click on Requirements, then verify that you have enough space for the download. Next, click Add to Cart to begin your purchase. Then follow the on-screen prompts to complete your purchase. Now that you've purchased your maps, you can install them to your Garmin using Garmin Express. Click Download to begin downloading Garmin Express. Then follow the on-screen prompts. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Once the download is complete, launch Garmin Express and click Add Device. Next, you'll need to register your Garmin. It's important to use the same email address that you used to purchase the map. If you'd like to give your Garmin a name, you can do that here. Now that your Garmin has been added, click on Tools and Content. Here, you'll need to sign into your Garmin account using the same account you used to purchase the map. Then click Download. If there isn't enough available space on your Garmin's internal storage, you may be able to add a microsd card to store your maps. You can use a card between 4 and 32 gigabytes in size. The download may take an extended period of time. Do not unplug the Garmin until the process is finished. Once complete, make sure to safely eject the Garmin from the computer before unplugging the cable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.